Hello students, this is third chapter of your science book and this is the first part of your third chapter. The chapter name is Skeletal System and Muscular System. So now look here. Some figures are given here. In the first figure, you can see here are the lungs. Write E for external organs and I for internal organs. So you have to tell that these are external or internal organs. These are the lungs. So as you know, lungs are found inside our body. So these are the internal organs. So we write here I for internal. Now these two structures, as you are looking here, these are the kidneys and these are also our internal organs. So we will write here I for internal. Now look here, this is our nose and nose is our external organ. So we will write here E for external. This is our heart. This is the structure of a heart of a man. So we can write here, this is also internal organs. We can write here internal I. Now look here. Our body is made up of cells. Do you know what are the cells? Cells are the structural and functional unit of our cell. Means our body is made up of millions of tiny small cells. We can say cells are the building blocks of our body. The cells of same type are combined together to form tissues. Means many cells join together and they make tissues. Then after it, tissues that carry out same work form an organ, a particular organ. A group of organs that does same type of work forms an organ system. All the organ system together make up an organism. In this chapter we will study about the skeletal system and muscular system. Now look here. Now the first word was given cells. So as I told you, the cells are the building blocks of our body. As you can see in your house, what is the basic unit of your house? So we can say a small brick is the basic unit of our house, same as the cell, a small cell is the basic unit of our body. And tissues means we can say group of cells or combination of same type of cells. Now organ, when many tissues join together, then the organ form. Means combination of tissues, organ system. Next word is organ system. Organ system is a group of organs and organism is a group of organ system. Means when many cells join together then a tissue form. Then when many tissues join with each other, then the organs form. And when organs join together with each other for a particular work, then the organ system form, and many organ systems together form an organism. So this process goes on inside our body. Cells form tissues, tissues form organs form organ system, and organ system form an organism. Now in this chapter we will study about the skeletal system and muscular system. So look, what is skeletal system? A skeletal system is a rigid framework of bones. Means it is all made up of bones. What is the word mean rigid? Rigid means hard. Now look here. A skeletal system. As you can see here, this is the skeleton of a man. You can see in the figure of each part. First is skull, then hands are here, legs. The skeletal system is a rigid framework of bones that serves many important functions. It has many important functions. The skeletal system has. It gives shape and support to our body. Means when we walk, when we sit, when we stand, when we run, then all the activities are supported by our skeletal system. It allows us to walk, bend and run. It protects the soft internal organs of our body. You know what are the soft internal organs? Look here. As you seen here, these are the lungs, kidneys, and this is the heart. These are the internal organs, means heart, lungs, kidneys, etc. These are called the internal organs, and these are protected by our skeletal system. When we are born, we have more than 300 bones. Means about 300 bones are found in a baby when it is born. As we grow older, some bones fuse together, and finally we have 206 bones. So we can say that the number of bones in a newborn child are more than 300, but the number of bones in adult human being are 206. Bones are hard from outside. As you can feel your bones, it feels hard. So bones are hard from outside and soft from inside. How the bones are soft? Do you know? They are made up of tissues and their inner hollow cavity. Inside the bones, these are not completely solid. There will be a hollow place inside your bones. So inner hollow cavity has a substance called bone marrow. There is a cavity which is called bone marrow, and bone marrow produces new blood cells that carry oxygen to other parts of our body. What is the function of the bone marrow? Bone marrow produces new blood cells that carry oxygen to other parts of our body. So we can say that bone marrow is a substance inside the hollow cavity of a bone, that is bone marrow, and it produces new blood cells, and these blood cells carry oxygen to other parts of our body. Now we will study about the parts of skeletal system. The different parts of the skeletal system are skull, backbone, rib cage, limbs, and girdles. So first heading is skull. The skull is a bony framework of the head. It protects our brain. It is made up of 22 bones, in which 8 bones fuse to form brain and other 14 support our face. Except the lower jaw, all the bones of the skull are movable. Movable lower jaw helps us to eat and talk. Now look here. Skull protects our brain. Skull has 22 bones, in which 8 bones fuse to form brain, and remaining 14 bones are from our face. Means these bones are found in our face. These are called facial bones. Now our upper jaw, it is immovable, means we cannot move our upper jaw, but the lower jaw is movable, and because our lower jaw is movable, that's why we can eat and talk. It helps, means lower jaw helps us to eat and talk. Now next heading is backbone. The backbone is also known as vertebral column or spine. It is made up of a series of 33 small bones called vertebrae. Our backbone protects the spinal cord and helps us to stand straight. Now look here. This middle bone, this is our backbone. This is the part of the backbone. Here are 33 small bones are present in the backbone. These are called vertebrae. So we can call it vertebral column as well as spine. And these bones are called vertebrae. And because of backbone, we can stand straight, or it also helps us to stand straight. Now look here. Backbone or vertebral column or spine, it has 33 bones which are called vertebrae. As you can see the figure of the backbone, this is your backbone, and you can see a small vertebrae. Many vertebrae are here. These are the small vertebrae. The number of these vertebrae are 33. Now rib cage. 12 pairs of ribs. 12 pair means 24. 12 pair of ribs surrounded the chest in the form of cage. We can count here. These are 12 or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12. This is 11 and here 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These two pairs are free, and these are not joined together. So these are called floating ribs, and remaining bones are fused together with each other. 12 pairs of ribs surround the chest in the form of cage. This is called rib cage. They protect the heart. It is our internal organ, kidneys, lungs and spleen. The ribs are attached to the breastbone. This is the breastbone. In the front, at the backbone at the back. In front side it is attached to the breastbone, and at the back side it attached to the backbone. The last two pairs, these are called floating ribs and not attached to the breastbone. Now look here. It has three names. First is backbone, second name is vertebral column, or third name is spine. These three are the same thing. And in the rib cage, 12 pairs of ribs. It is made up of 12 pairs of ribs, and these are attached to the breastbone in the front and backbone at the back side, and it protects our internal organs like heart, lungs, kidneys and spleen. Now the last pair of the rib cage are called floating ribs. Last two pairs mean 4 ribs. Now students, underline some hard words and find the meanings of these hard words yourself. Now look at the book. Underline these words. Cells. Combined. Tissues. 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 Organ. Organ system. Organism. skeletal system, muscular system. Now here is the word rigid and framework. Rigid framework. Functions. Bend. Internal. Fuse. Bone marrow. Backbone. Rib cage. Accept. Vertebral column. Spine. Vertebrae. Spleen. Breastbone. Floating ribs. Okay, now students, you have to find the meaning of these hard words, and you can take the screenshot of this page for reading. Take the screenshot of this page. Now the another half is here. Take the screenshot and take the screenshot of this page also. Read the chapter, find the hard words. Now we'll meet in the next video, second part of this chapter. Till then, good day.